Hey traders, it's Jeffrey from Ninjacators. Today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite Ninjacator indicators, and I use it in my trading every single day. It's one of my favorite tools. It's the BidAsk Momentum Indicator, and you'll see how you can easily use it for both entry and exit confirmation on any time frame and any strategy that you're trading. It allows you to easily see turning points in the market and the strength of moves or reversals. When you load the indicator, you can enable tick replay and see all of the historical bid-ask momentum data, but careful, I don't recommend this when you're trading live as it's much more computer processing intensive, so do not load tick data or tick replay when you're trading live. Now, the indicator actually uses real-time order flow bid and ask information, order size and fills, and it calculates and plots 3 unique tick-by-tick values on an easy-to-read histogram, giving you short-term, moment-by-moment, on-the-spot bias in order to help you make your trade decisions. The first is whether buyers or sellers are in control. When buyers are in control, the histogram is green, and their orders are pushing price up, and when it's red, the opposite is true. Sellers are in control and pushing price down. Second, when the bar is above the zero line, the momentum is positive, and it correlates with upward price movement, and when it's below the zero line, pressure is negative, the momentum is negative, and it correlates with downward price flow. Finally, on the right side of the panel, you can read the actual momentum value. When the value is small, for example, under 10 or between 10 and 20, the strength of the move is fair, and it may either turn sideways or the move may end. However, and this is really helpful for big moves, when the values are higher, above 20 to 50, 100, or even 200, the strength of the movement is strong. And like a strong wind in their sails, price can respond with really big moves. Plus, as I mentioned, the bars print in real time. So, as you're watching your chart and whatever indicators and strategy that you're using, you can watch sellers in control with red bars switching over to buyers taking control with the bars turning green, just like you have it here, okay? Now, when you correlate this in conjunction with whatever long or short signals or rules you have set up, you get really great confirmation to take your trades. So, for example, let's open this chart up over here. On this strategy, where I'm looking to potentially go short right at this signal, when I get this short signal, as price breaks through this indicator, okay? This is the golden reversal trend line. Another Ninjacator indicator that I love and use all the time, okay? When it breaks through with this red bar and then flips to the negative side, I have a high confidence level to take the trade. So, as you can see, we get a breakthrough here, we've got a downward bar, a signal to go short, and we're getting ready for a potential flip and a switch from buyers in control to sellers taking control. So, let's go ahead and move forward by one. We see the flip. Let's just open that up a tiny bit. We see the flip to the negative side and another candle, okay? I'm definitely in this trade. We move forward one more and boom, we get a massive candle jump over 60 and it further down, okay? This is really strong trend confirmation that this upward trend from this area has reversed and will continue down. And sure enough, we continue going down, and we've peaked out at about 140, 150, and now as we start coming back, we can potentially anticipate that this big move is going to start to slow down a little bit, giving us an indication to potentially get out and take some profits. Now, when the momentum starts to back off and the move is weakening, you'll see either a bottoming out of this drop or a nice fall off and a move right back up toward the zero line, okay? So that's it, traders. Try this out on different markets with different indicators and strategies, and you'll see how helpful it is to confirm your trade entries and exits, okay? That's the BidAsk Momentum Indicator. Good trading, and we'll see you in the fast track videos.